Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I am unboxing new Casio watch, model MTP-1302PE-2AVEF. Let's get started. With its sleek stainless steel bracelet, this watch exudes a timeless elegance suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Equipped with a reliable quartz movement, the MTP-1302PD ensures accurate timekeeping, allowing you to stay punctual in your daily activities. The analog display features luminous hands, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. This practical feature is particularly useful for those who value readability in various environments. The watch boasts a date display, providing additional functionality for keeping track of both the day of the week and the date. This practical complication is a valuable addition for individuals with busy schedules, offering convenience at a glance. Water resistance is another noteworthy feature of the MTP-1302PD, allowing it to withstand everyday activities such as handwashing and exposure to light splashes. However, it's essential to note that this watch is not suitable for swimming or diving. The deployment clasp ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to wear the watch with confidence throughout the day. The overall design reflects Casio's commitment to creating timepieces that blend durability with aesthetics, making it a reliable and fashionable accessory. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. Whether you're heading to the office, a social event, or simply navigating your daily routine, this timepiece is a reliable companion that complements your personal style. Its classic design, coupled with practical features, makes it a worthy addition to any watch collection. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.